Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. And in today's video I have for you two collections. So we have 12 polishes to go through. Let's get into it. I'm only going to be doing swatches and talking to you guys about the formulas just so that you can make purchasing decisions. We're not going to do comparisons on this video, so if you have any requests, just drop them in the comments and I'll serve them as shorts. Let's see, I haven't tried these. I think I did swatches on swatch sticks only, but I haven't tried on the nail, so we'll see. The brush is perfect, beautiful, no issues whatsoever. You guys know in the past I've had issues with ORLY's brushes, but this one's great. See, spray, and this one is a gorgeous, shifty. The base is kind of like off-white. It's not, I don't know that it's entirely white. Beautiful. Beautiful formula, beautiful polish. It's gonna need 2 coats, but that's fine. Another beautiful formula. It's a little bit more sheer, but I think it's gonna build up. This is just beautiful. All right, here we have the second coat, and I did it a little bit thicker than the first one. Actually, I think I overflowed this nail a little bit, but on my current nail length, they all, well, this one of course is a cream, but these two have complete opacity. I don't know if you have longer nails and if you do thinner coats, if you might need a third coat, but they're so easy to work with. And so this is just one first normal thin coat and a second thicker coat, and they look perfect. I went ahead and did 1 coat of this one on the cream just to see, so you can, you know, it works as a topper on top of colors that are similar to it. This is the green one in the collection. It's like a jade green base with a, I would say it's like a blue shift on it. Ooh, the formula is very nice. It lights super nicely. The brushes are also on point. Very, very nice. And then the next one is Ripple Effect. It has like a purple shift and a blue base. Anyways, very, very good formula. A little bit thicker than this one in a good way. Look at that coverage. Near perfect. All right, here you have them at 3 coats, and I think the green one does dry a little bit matte, like dull. The others are just shiny, which is fine because if you add a top coat at the end, nobody cares, but I'm just letting you know. You can see as it dries how it's a little bit of a satin kind of like dull finish, whereas these stayed very, very shiny. You know, it's interesting, when I remove the polishes that I just tried on my nails to try the next, I clean it up on one cotton and you can see the palette. Kind of like a dirty way to see the palette, but you can see the colors together. They're really, really cute. I think they work. Okay, so they all have good formulas, as you guys saw. These are gonna like be 2 coaters. You know, on the first coat you might get a couple streaks, but on the second they're perfect. Now these 3, they're so good even on the first coat. Like they're perfect formula, so they're extremely beginner friendly, even though the whole collection has good formulas and I can recommend all of them. Just wanted to point that out. If you're like a super beginner, these 3 are gonna be very, very easy for you to work with. Moving on to the Morgan Taylor collection, it's so interesting because the ORLY was all shimmers on 1 cream, and this is all creams on 1 shimmer. Not shimmer, but like a shifty, you know? Fantastic. I did not expect anything less from Morgan Taylor because honestly, their cream polishes are perfection. This color is a 1 coater. I'm not even gonna do 2 coats, and the brush is fantastic. Their brushes are so underrated. The whole line is underrated. Oof, this is beautiful. Another fantastic cream by Morgan Taylor. Now this one will be a 2 coater just because it's a little bit, it's not, I don't even know what I was gonna say, but it's pretty good. Pretty good at 1 coat, but you'll need 2. This one definitely just 1. Very, very good, but still it's gonna be 2 coats. All right, I did a second coat on middle and index. Like I said, I wasn't gonna do a second coat on this one. Perfect, no complaints whatsoever. All right, the formula on this one's really good, but I expected it to be opaque, like the pink one, like the first one. I don't know why, because usually Morgan Taylor does these like very, very opaque. This is very opaque, you can see, but in person you can see that it needs a second coat. I'm used to their colors like this one being almost 1 coater, but still the formula is very, very good. This matches the Pantone color of the year. Very good. I think my base coat was still a little bit wet. It's gonna need 2 coats, but it's good. Again, another 2 coater, but very easy to work with. These are all 2 coaters. All right, so like we did for the Orly, I'm splitting them. These are all good, solid 2 coaters. And then this one's just absolutely fantastic. Fantastic, 1 coat, easy peasy. If you're a beginner, you're gonna love this. I mean, everybody's gonna love this, but I'm saying like, you guys saw it. The formula is just top notch. And here you have the dirty palette. It looks good. I like this way of showcasing the colors because it looks like a painter did something interesting here. All right, so we saw a lot of polishes, and if I have to pick favorites based on formula, it'll be these 2. The best formulas here. Even though, like I said, they're all good. They're all good, solid 2 coaters with the exceptions of these 2, which I think are kind of like 1 coaters. And then if I have to pick favorites based on color, just for me to wear, this is a favorite. I think it's fantastic. Which is the other one? This green. Of course, you guys know I love greens. And then I also really like weird colors like this one. So I think this one's pretty good too. And then again, the solid colors are things that we've probably seen before, so I'm not gonna pick them out, but they're good. So thank you guys for coming to this review. I hope you found some goodies here that you like, and if you didn't, then good for you, money savings. If you have any comparison requests, drop them in the comments and I will serve them as shorts, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.